So we start our glidable.io process here with the Align scanner, which makes it incredibly easy to acquire the patient's dental scenario. We'll do a 3D scan of the patient's information. You can see right here. Right. And then from here, the case information is transmitted over to our fastdesign.io system. The fastdesign.io system makes it possible to design a restoration chair side. We take three pieces of information: the patient's margin line, so we'll capture their margin line and we'll record that. Then we define the buccal and occlusal direction. And then once that part is complete, we're provided a design proposal. The doctor is able to inspect this design proposal, and if he approves it, that gets completed and moves to the next step, which we send that case information up to the cloud, and we generate the machining strategy, the milling information to manufacture the restoration on our fastmill.io station that you see right here. This machine makes it possible to manufacture a fully centered zirconia restoration in 30 minutes.